Hi guys, welcome once again. So in this tutorial we're basically going to check how to sort arrays in Java. This question requires a deep understanding of sorting in Java. So if you look at arrays utility class, there are many overloaded sort methods to sort primitive as well as the object itself, object arrays. So if you're looking for a primitive way in the natural order, then it's very simple to sort arrays. We're basically going to use a method called arrays.sort. So in this tutorial, we're basically going to demonstrate and check how we can sort arrays using arrays.sort. So the first thing that we're going to do is basically create a new Java project. So we'll name this Java project as arrays array sort. Okay, so we click finish there. So once that is done, our class is called array sort, and this is our public our main method. This is basically where the code execution starts from. So we're going to initialize. We'll say int, we'll say that, then we'll say array is equal to, so we'll initialize an array. This is a sample array, so we'll say 1 2 3, we'll say -1, then we'll say -2, then we'll say 4. Okay, once we initialize that array, we'll just call arrays we'll say arrays dot sort. So what are we sorting? We're passing this array object. So once that is done, we'll just do, we'll say system.out.println, then it's say arrays dot, we'll say arrays dot toString. Okay, we'll say arrays dot toString, then we'll pass array there. Okay, that is okay. So let's try to run this. So initialize an array, then we'll say array to start, then we'll say arrays dot toString. Let's try to run this. Okay, great. Okay, great guys, and there you have it. That's how you can sort an array in Java using arrays.sort. Thank you for watching.